A 21-gun salute, a military guard of honor, and pomp and pageantry welcomed Iranian President Ибраҳим Ra'ísi to Sri Lanka. Extensive security was in place. His hosts weren't taking any chances. Ra'ísi's first stop, the launch of the Umayyad project, which his country helped build. Iranian engineers helped to redirect a river's course by 120 degrees from the central highlands to the dry zone in the southeast, so its water could be used to generate electricity and cultivate thousands of hectares of land. And Sri Lanka is grateful.
So what is common with us, we should strengthen. We are all countries that belong to the South. At a time when South now wants to establish its own identity and its own independence.
President Ra'ísi praised the two countries' commitment to achieving their goals and used the opportunity to criticize the current world order.
The dominant system in the world is trying to coerce all other countries into believing that without their presence, without their participation, and without their knowledge, it is not possible to realize development and progress. We believe these words are rooted in colonization, arrogance, and an unfair system, and we totally reject it.
The two leaders signed agreements covering cooperation in culture, education, media, and tourism. Ra'ísi's visit to Colombo after a trip to Islamabad comes at a critical time back home, and Iran's friends and foes are watching closely. Analysts here say it's an opportunity for Sri Lanka to showcase its non-aligned approach, which has been questioned recently.
This comes months and months after Sri Lanka gained some sort of negative publicity from its decision to deploy naval vessels to the Red Sea under the command of the US fleet.
At a media briefing, both leaders spoke about Israel's war in Gaza. An emotional Ra'ísi accused the UN, human rights groups and the international community of failing to prevent crimes against humanity, saying it would only encourage further atrocities in the future.
Sri Lanka has rolled out the red carpet for the Iranian president, aware that Ибраҳим Ra'ísi decided to come here while tensions are running high in the Middle East. Analysts say his visit highlights Sri Lanka's increasing geopolitical importance. Minal Fernandez, Al Jazeera, Colombo.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.